Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe, like, comment, do whatever while you're here. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. But who cares about my stupid ass intro? We're playing and unboxing the Unearthly Cosmetics Valentine's Day 2024 collection, the Charmer collection today. I have swatches, I have my first impressions, reviews, all the good stuff. We have just like a little look into absolutely everything that came in this absolutely stunning collection. So if you would like to see how I got this look, all the details of what I blabber on about in this video, then let's get into it. Hi friends, hello, hi. This is the new setup. If you've been here before, we're working with it. It is what it is. But today we are playing with the new Unearthly Cosmetics Valentine's Day mystery box. We're gonna play with it, we're gonna open it up, we're gonna swatch it, all that good stuff. So let's get into this. Okay, so we're just gonna look over some of the products here. I'm just gonna voice over it, just all that good stuff. So we're gonna start with the liquid eyeliners. Those come in here. They're absolutely stunning. The lip glosses, Admire is the purple, and Puppy Love is this gorgeous, absolutely stunning pink. We also have this lipstick. The shade is called Bliss. It is a very neutral-esque type shade. And then we have this lip oil. It is a darker purple-esque type color. It smells like grapes. And then we have the brushes here. There is two eyeshadow brushes, a face brush, and what I'm guessing is either a blender or a highlighter-esque type brush. So I'm going to insert a little sneak peek, a little view into the palette here. It is absolutely gorgeous. There's wonderful purples. The pinks are just absolutely gorgeous. That lower shade is just stunning. I'm so excited to be putting this on my face here today. And there's a bunch of other amazing products in here. We're going to be using the makeup brushes. We're going to be just dipping our fingers into the whole collection here today. Just to start off with, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair to End and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder. Okay, so I'm kind of wanting to play with Crush and Trickery, Romancer, maybe a little bit of Crave. So I think that might, or this, I think maybe this right here I might play it with today, just because I feel like that would be fun. I am going to go in with a little bit of this Sweet Talk shade right here, taking it on the UC87 brush that came with it, lightly taking it into the crease here and blending it. I'm not going to use a lot of it, but so far it is blending out nicely. Okay, so now that I have that Sweet Talk shade in here, I'm going to go in with this Entice shade right here. Still taking it on that same UC brush and plopping it right below that Sweet Talk shade in the crease area here. So now that I have that together and blended and just, you know, looking all perfect, we're going to go in with that Trickery shade right now. It is that darker forest green, almost leaning teal. I'm taking that on my Rephr 13 and I'm going to plop that into the crease area here. Just right below where we put that Enticed shade and maybe bringing it down just a little bit. And then bringing it right here. And I'm just cutting everything and just taking whatever's left on that brush after I clean it up a little and just dragging it forward. So I plan on taking a little bit of that Trickery shade still and just bringing it forward in this space we just created. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that Entice shade Again, on that UC87 brush. Not a lot, and just sort of deepen it out along here and blending it out just a tiny bit. I think that looks freaking bomb. I love it. So I'm going to go in with the UC85 now that came with it. I'm going to go in with this Crush shade right here. This hot, beautiful pink. Wow, it's stunning. And I'm going to plop that right into this open space here. Also, I'm really sorry if my camera angle is horrible. Again, I'm working on figuring out the new setup, so we're working on it. Now that I have this mess going on, I'm going to go back in with that rougher 13. It still has a little bit of that trickery shade, and just sort of blend that and that Crush shade together here. So I did end up doing a lot of blending here, but I absolutely love how it came out. I'm just dragging whatever's on the brush forward here a little. I'm loving it. I think it looks really freaking awesome. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Romancer shade right here, taking that on my Refer 21 and just plopping that over that pink shade right in this area. Let's figure out an under eye before we do inner. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with, I think, this Crave shade right here, taking that on my Refer 23. It is a very, very small pointerish brush, and just bringing that down along the waterline here. Okay, so for inner corner, I'm thinking we go in with that Lure shade right there, taking that on my Refer 03 and plopping that into the inner, into the inner corner here. That was the best idea. I'm gonna go in with the liquid eyeliner now. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking Love Struck here and just an FYI, I suck at eyeliner. I'm just taking it halfway through the eye, and then I'm gonna be taking Tears and plopping that here. Again, I absolutely suck at liner, but that is absolutely stunning. I'm almost very tempted to take it up here, possibly. So you know what? Fuck it. We will. We're gonna go in with Love Struck again and take it and connect it from right here up about halfway like we did below. Again, I absolutely suck at liner. Then I'm going to be going in with Tears now and just again, if it looks like shit, then it looks like shit. I am gonna go do my face real quick, and then we will do, like, there's blush and lip glosses and all the lip stuff, so okay, we are gonna do blush now that I'm back. We're gonna put it on the back of our hand and then use this UC81 to stamp it in here. I did go in with a little bit of that Crush shade and put it on the under eye here, just because I feel like I needed to pull it all together, and I think it was the right move. Okay, I knew what the move was to do. I did it. Yeah, so we're gonna be taking it. I'm gonna have, you know, swatches in here. I'm going to be taking on the back of my hand for right now. I only have about that much, but I'm going to be stamping the brush in and then just, you know. Ooh, do you see that? That's so pretty. That's so pretty. For highlight, I'm going to go in with the Blend Bunny Noctilucent palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Phenomena. It's just a pink highlight. Just thought I'd mention that before we move on to lips. Okay, so here's my thing. I don't know if the blush can be used as a lip, but I'm very tempted to use the blush as a lip. Because I'm not feeling the lipstick shade with this, so we're just gonna say F it, and we're gonna use the blush as a lip. I think that was the right choice. We're gonna go in with the lip gloss, which is in the shade Puppy Love, and we're gonna plop that on over that. Motherfucker. That's making me feel very ungodly things, and I love it. Holy shit. Holy shit. And I think just because I'm going to put a little bit of this lip oil on, I'm taking a lot of it off the brush and just, oh my gosh, the smell on this. It's wonderful. That's amazing. Look at me. I look hot. I look really hot. Oh my god. Okay. I freaking love how this turned out. I think it turned out so pretty. It's so ethereal. I fucking love it. This collection though, this freaking collection is fucking amazing. I think like it's absolutely stunning. As always, Unearthly is going to kick it out of the box with their art. I think they're so amazing with that, and I think they chose like just the right amount of like things and like just to put into this. Like it's so freaking pretty and it's so stunning. The eyeshadows are just amazing, which I'm not surprised with. Like I said, I only have one Unearthly palette, but for like what I have of theirs, like this is on par. It's so good. These work really good. When I swatched them, they were buttery, they were easy, you know, like just all the good things. And then blending them out was just absolutely easy to do, which I absolutely love. So yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. I want to play with this side again, which I will do at some point, but I think they just absolutely kicked it out of the park with this. Like it's so pretty, it's so stunning. The blush was absolutely easy to blend out. It even worked as a lip, which I love how the lip turned out, but it was just so easy, and it's so pretty and buildable, and I think that's just everything that like you want in a liquid-esque type blush. The lips though, I didn't get to use the Bliss one, but I didn't feel like this neutralish shade right here would go with the eye. But I absolutely love these. I'm excited to play it with this Purple Admire one. I think this is going to be so beautiful and so fun to play with. And I might even just throw that on a little bit over this because, you know, I'm an extra sparkly loving bitch. This lip oil, the smell is just amazing. But it also reminds me of like the grape, like medicine-esque type smell. But like in a good way, if that makes sense. But yeah, this Puppy Love lip gloss has my heart. It's stunning, it's amazing, it's beautiful. And these liners, I think the liners are so much fun. Obviously, I do not have a steady hand at all, as you can tell, but I think, yeah, I think they absolutely kicked it out of the park with this collection. The brushes are amazing. They're nice and easy to use. They're soft, you know, it's all, I think Unearthly just absolutely and utterly kicked it out of the fucking park hit it out of the park. Whatever the stain is, okay? Just everything is so good, and I'm loving everything so far, you know, just like for my first impressions. But yeah, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. Like, who would have thought to put like these shades right here in the same palette? But I absolutely love this collection, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. I don't know if I think it's limited edition. Like, I don't know if they're doing another pre-order or not. But either way, I will have it linked down below in case you want to see if it's like in whatever, you know. But if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I truly, duly appreciate it. A couple things before you go: make sure to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist, don't be anti-Semitic, don't be xenophobic. There's a lot of bullshit, a lot of bull going around. So just make sure that you're taking in the most actual factual information, and making sure that you're not being a piece of shit, that you're not supporting shitty brands, that you're not supporting like bigotry and all that. There's a lot of better things to be doing with your time, your money, your energy. And I understand that you don't understand some things. I understand that you do not like things, but I think that's something that you need to take a step back and reflect on and do better on. It is 2024. Bigotry is fucking bull. Leave it in the past. And remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting in enough water, enough food, to be taking your self-care days, to be just taking care of you and not being such a people pleaser, and just being a good person all around. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do, truly, duly appreciate it. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.